Hi, my name is Tahani Iqbal. I'm a professor at Manipal Academy of Higher Education, teaching students at the School of Business. I've been going behind Miss Marilyn for a couple of months now, trying to get her to come in to do the session because she ran it last year as well, and it was a huge success. Students were very excited, they were interested, they're leaving the session with a lot more knowledge than they had coming in. There was a lot of engagement, we got a lot of positive feedback, and they're expecting advanced sessions as well coming up. So a huge thank you to KFI Global, Ms. Marilyn for her time, and a bigger thank you to Dubai Islamic Bank for sponsoring. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Mahmood Hussaini. I'm a student pursuing MBA International Business at Manipal Academy of Higher Education. Today we attended a class by KFI Global of how to manage our money in general, and I found this class very extremely informative, and it gave us valuable insights about how to manage our money, and I think it's very important for all kinds of people to learn about it, especially the younger ones. And I'm very grateful and thankful for the opportunity by KFI Global and also Dubai Islamic Bank who organized this.
Hi, my name is Akila, currently in second year BCom. I walked into the result completely clueless about a lot of complex terms. Thanks to Ma'am Merlin for the wonderful session. I would also like to thank KFI Global for their session and also Dubai Islamic Bank for sponsoring this.
Hello, my name is Joseph, and firstly to start with, I was very skeptical of joining this session because exams are coming up and I really didn't want to miss my classes, but I'm really super glad that I actually came in because it was very insightful and a lot of things that I learned actually which I didn't know about and which definitely I'll look out. And I really thank KFI Global for the opportunity and for our university for conducting this, and I really advise a lot more people to attend this program. Thank you so much.
Hello, my name is Agisira. I am a BCom student from Manipal University. I found this lesson actually very interesting. I got to learn about so many topics, and I'm really thankful for the opportunity that we got. Thank you, Marlene, ma'am, for the lecture. I'm sure I'll be taking it for future experiences. A special thank you to Dubai Islamic Bank for sponsoring and for KFI Global for this amazing project. Thank you.